Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on lock screen sound in oppo. So let us start our video. Firstly scroll up and move to the setting icon. Here you will see, click on that. You will see many options. Scroll up some more, and here you will see many options. Click on the sound and vibration option. Here you will see, click on that. After that you will see many options here. Sorry, scroll up some more, and here you will see lock screen sound option, which is already off. So if you want to turn on lock screen sound, so firstly on this, it means that it produce sound when we locking and unlocking the screen. I will show you. Here you will see, if we lock the screen it produce sound, and here you will see, if we unlock the screen it also produce sound. So in this way lock screen sound is on in our mobile phone in this way. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.